Man, what is up, guys? It is King Jury SMB, other known as the worst 2K Park dribbler on YouTube. But basically, let's just get right into this game. So we're gonna go ahead, go around him, hit him with a crossover, double step back around the back, and go in for the layup. Green. My guy looks like he's about to fall over. We go ahead and go again. We're gonna try to cook him up. He clamps us up. We run out of energy in 2 seconds because this game is broke. We throw that because this guy's not moving. He gets clamped up. He goes ahead and spins and dunks right on his face. We get the ball back. I'm gonna go ahead, dribble, double crossover, and then fucking 10 million under the legs. Hit him with a around the back layup. 6-0. He's gonna go ahead, give it back to me. I thought he was gonna leave me open to shoot it, and I don't. And he goes ahead and bricks his shot. So it is 6-0 right now. He's gonna go ahead, hand it off. I can see him trying to back off, so I go ahead, green, 9-0. I got 7 of the points. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go around again. I'm trying to cook him up, not doing too much, because he ends up clamping me up while he's cold. Then he just stands there. I get past him. They double team me. I go ahead, and he goes ahead and greens the corner 3, 12-0. They're leaving me open, but I get afraid to shoot it, and I'm dribbling like ass right there. I can't really do anything, and then I start stepping out my dribbling, and I go in for the layup. Make it somehow open, even though I had 2 people on me. Activate my takeover, 14-0. I'm trying to dribble. Now since I can actually speed boost, I'm cooking up. Hit him with the crossover, step back, pull it, brick. 14-0. Man, you know you're bad when you're bad when you're bricking a wide open 3 with takeover. And he goes ahead and takes a smothered shot. Again, I shoot it, make it. We shoot over those. Look at that. You can't tell me that is not an and one. What the hell? Dude, the guy literally broke my arm and it's not an and one. So anyways, it is 17-2. Look at this. He shoots that shot. What is that? That is takeover. That is takeover. And this guy's shooting that. Like, what's going on here? And he goes ahead, he bricks it. They get the ball. 17-7. I don't know how they scored. They magically got those points. But anyways, see, he wasn't passing me, so I decided not to pass it to him. And I go ahead, cook this guy up. And then I mess up and choke when I should have just drived. But anyways, this guy plays shitty defense. I go ahead, green, mini floater / layup thingy. Okay, now it's my time to cook up. I'm crossing this guy up, and then I messed up with accidentally doing hesitations. Then I go ahead, snap his ankles, but I'm out of energy, so I can't do anything. I pass it to him. He bricks. Like, literally, I had confidence in this dude. I was dancing because I thought I had confidence he was going to make it. Then he goes ahead and bricks. He goes ahead, shoots a heavily contested shot. I decide not to pass it out again because selfish King Jury wants to dribble and finish off the game. I hit a double step back, crossover, another step back. He fucking thought I was going to shoot. I go ahead, take it. I lag and take the layup. I didn't even mean to take that. I was fucking lagging and stuff. I was going to do a pump fake. But anyways, we go ahead. We win that game, 21-12. And on to the next game. Unless it's the end of the video. I'm out.
All the whole flop. I'm flying like a spaceship. I hop at the back with 2 hoes. These niggas can't say shit. Pull up with your bitch, she on go. Ooh, I put the lamb in sports mode. Pull up with the racks, pronto. I just cashed out on the truckload. She bad as fuck, but I still don't trust like a spaceship.